औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। I want to share something about the people who are living in around Pakistan, India, which is the one man show family like housewife system type. Most of here our women, they develop like housewife, and in history too, nothing to be a wrong housewife if you are good. So Allah say in Quran, the man who spend his money, his health and wealth for the kids, for the family, for the women, and the women who stay behind at home, she take care of her health, wealth, and aulad, mean like son and daughters. It's mean characters, akhlaq, they develop, मालो दौलत की और औलाद की उनकी पीठ पीछे हिफाज करते हैं. Behind the scene they develop them very nicely, educate them very nicely. So this is something like a duty outdoor and indoor. A question something like, if the men are doing, I'm not asking myself, okay, never mind, but I'm asking about the billions of the men who are just working alone and they develop their family alone, and they brought up the family and the kids, and after that, when you see their kids are not stable and well educated, even educated but not manner even, so what happened actually? Where's the mistake came? The money or the tarbiyat, or how you develop them, how you brought up them. So if we see in India, Pakistan, like I was to call about this country, my country, so we see, all is going worse. Characterless we are going. Very bossy, proudly, like a very Quran called jahil, Quran called jahil, mean like very jahil, very uneducated people, but they have some egos only. So why they did not stand for their education? Why they did not speak about the real issues? Why it did not call their real issues? They need to development, they need some education. Okay, education doesn't mean, make you a blaga or make you a proud or make you a something like, you look down upon your parents or you look down upon anybody, So this is something called, the over action and overdoing something like, without don't know anything. So this is going on in our society in the different shape. So who's the responsible? I'm common man, I'm just putting a question, I'm not working or this or that, but I'm talking about I hope the people are working outdoor very hardly. Is there new generation are brought up with a nice manner, or they are going in the narrow way, in narrow point? Tell me. So something there is wrong, So don't play with the race, okay? Don't play for your race only. Play for humanity, because you are destroying yourself, not destroying anybody. This is something like you are denying yourself, not denying any other body. So this is going on, deep inside, when you did not train them, when did not, teach them how to speak nicely, somehow you want to teach them badly, disrespect the parents, So this is something like, the problem. So better you leave the house, better you leave the family. No need to be a havoc, or not to be zalim and mazloom, You go your way, he go his way. Leave them each other nicely and go your way. This is something like, so don't be over and don't be something like, you think as you wants to be in the justice, you know. Men is our man. I speak about man today. I speak about many women rights, you know. Today I want to speak about how many billions are men, you know, they fight for you in the war and they die. Can you count how many billions men are die outdoor in activities, you know, to making for you money to bring back at home? How many men are, you know, they get more sick than you are sitting at home? I'm asking about this society. And they, you know, go outside in the dust and they come back with the sickness, you know. How many die they early from you? Did you ever remember that they all sacrifice yourself for your family, for your own ass? Do you all remember? I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about you. Just look at 100 years only. Don't go 1,000 years. And you count, you know. Your mouth will be a very small, but you cannot count properly. How many times? God knows how many they die, you know, because some of go against you, some of with you. They fight. That is. So be careful. God is great, you know, going to catch you all.